When you're investing into the laundry industry, there's so many different obstacles and challenges that you have to overcome. And that's why you need to choose the right partner.
With Huebsch, you're not just getting the best equipment, you're getting forward-thinking technology, world-class support, and the best partners in the business.
If you're asking me why distribution is so important to investors, that distributor is going to help you find the right location. They're going to help you design and lay out your laundry, negotiate a long-term lease.
They gave us the demographics, they gave us equipment mix, they gave us store layout, they gave us construction contractors, so they really do a lot of the legwork for us.
In addition to us, Huebsch gives you there's no support like it anywhere. I mean, from technical support, parts, marketing, whatever you need, we're there.
Alliance makes it very easy to work with them when it comes to financing. They have online credit portals where you can just type in your name, address, social security number, and they can pre-approve you for a certain amount of money right then and there.
It was easy. I literally got my rep told me what I needed for paperwork. We put all that forward, and he took it from there. And he pretty much called back, said, "You're approved. This is what we can do for equipment." And when it came time for the equipment, it was here, and they were throwing it. It was in within a couple days.
I think today for a smart new investor, technology is humongous. It's important. You want to be able to distinguish and set yourself apart.
I'm the type of person where I really like to know what my business is doing. So it's very important for me to have a system that I can log into or come into at any time and know the performance of my store. With Huebsch Command, I'm able to get daily totals, I'm able to get revenue by machine, I'm also able to get turns by day, turns by hours. So the data that Huebsch Command offers you just makes it easier to run a laundromat.
If a customer calls me with a concern or an issue, I'm able to provide a refund by vending the machine remotely. And with the app, it allows the customers to pay with their phone and to get alerts when their washer or dryer has been completed, which allows us to provide a level of service to the customer that's unmatched.
Also, it lets them get reward points. So in that way, we're able to offer more to our customer than just a standard quarter store or a card store.
Galaxy 600 is the high-level control that Huebsch offers today in all their machines, both washers and dryers. They enable you to make more money with cycle modifiers, multi-level pricing, and easy-to-use customer-friendly controls.
The networking boards come installed from the factory. There's no add-on third-party gear you have to put and install onto them that kind of look clunky.
They look great, a lot of different choices with designs and aesthetics. They're well built, they're durable, last a long time, but more importantly, you deal with distributors like me.
I enjoy seeing my customers succeed. I enjoy the phone calls on the weekends when they call me and they say that there's not enough room in their laundry for people to wash their clothes. And that means I know I put my investor in the best position possible.
We take pride in, we want our customers to be successful. It's about building a relationship, and we don't look at it as one store or one opportunity. We look at it as really being a gateway to many, and really try to help them navigate throughout so they can really be super successful.